everyone, this is Hamid from GameChanging.ai. In this video, which is the first lesson of the time series package, we want to take you to the journey of version controlling and review some basic concepts of the version control systems. You can employ the takeaways of the first lesson to any other data science projects. You can store your files safely and collaborate with your data science team very efficiently. At the beginning, we review the theory and concepts of the version controlling, and after that in the video tutorial we show you how to practically use these tools, the latest popular tool in the market. What is version control and why should you care about version controlling? Version control is a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time so that you can recall specific versions later. It allows you to revert selected files back to the previous state, revert the entire project back to the previous state, compare changes over time, see who last modified something that might be causing a problem, who introduced an issue and when, and more. Using a VCS also generally means that if you screw things up or you lose file, you can easily recover. How about local version control systems? Many people's version control method of choice is to copy files into another. This is very common because it's so simple but is also incredibly error prone. It's easy to forget which directory you're in and accidentally write to the wrong file or copy over files you don't mean to. To deal with this issue, programmers long ago developed local VCSs that had a simple database that kept all changes to files under revision control. Do you know the different types of VCSs? The first type is revision control system or RCS. RCS works by keeping patch sets in a special format on disk. It can then recreate what any file look like at any point in time by adding up all the patches. The second one is CVCSs or centralized version control systems. This system helps developers to collaborate on different systems, have a single server that contains all the version files and a number of clients that check out files from that central place. The downside of it is that whenever you have an entire history of the project in a single place, you risk losing everything. And the last type of VCSs are distributed version control systems or DVCSs. Clients don't just check out the latest snapshot of the files, rather, they fully mirror the repository, including its full story. Thus, if any server dies and these systems were collaboratively via server, any of the client repository can be copied back up to the server to restore it. Every clone is really a full backup of all data. So finally, what technology do you recommend for version controlling? You need to collaborate with different groups of people in different ways simultaneously within the same project, with data engineers, with data scientists, with project managers, with different type of analysts. So you may need to set up several types of workflows that aren't possible in a centralized systems, such as hierarchical models. GitLab makes modern source code management easy. Project management, issue tracking, branches, code reviews, and continuous integration in one single place. Merge requests are your launchpad to high frequency integration and good code quality practices. Why use GitLab version control system? Developers, product managers, designers connect, collaborate, and dramatically reduce cycle time while keeping IP secure and track all changes. And what are the main specifications of GitLab version control system? It boosts productivity through reducing rework, lower cost of delivery, improve dev experience. On the other side, accelerate delivery through shrinking cycle time, rapid reviews and quality increase dev velocity, and secure and compliant. It has end-to-end traceability, visibility, and reporting. It simplifies audits and security. So what you need to do at this stage? to be able to follow up the next tutorial. If you don't have a GitLab account, please go and create one. It's very straightforward. Just Google it and you can do it pretty easy. On the other side, you need to install PyCharm and Python in your operation systems on Windows or Mac or whatever that you use. And then just jump on in our tutorial and let's see how we can use GitLab in your PyCharm and just store your files online. Let's go, guys.